Hello students of class 9, this is Vandana Akka and I am talking regarding the first chapter of geography, distributional maps. I hope you all have watched the videos carefully and understood the three distributional maps that are the dot method, the choropleth method and the isopleth method. So let us understand a very easy activity on page number 2, which is regarding the dot method. Alright, so this is the map showing the distribution of population in Amravati district. So the first question regarding this map is, what is the population of Amravati town? Okay, so they are asking us to find out the population of Amravati town, that is Amravati city. Okay, so here we have the map. Okay, this is the dot method map and this is the index. So looking at the index, we will be able to find out all the given asked information regarding the questions given. So this is a rural. Okay, this is the dot method. This is a very small dot that shows the population in the rural regions in this map. Rural means the villages. Okay, so this size dot, each dot represents how many people? 10,000 people. Okay, so this is regarding the population. The small dot is shown to show the population of the rural regions. Now here, population of main cities. Here you can see the dot size have grown bigger. Okay, so this size dot shows the population of 50,000. This of 1 lakh, the bigger one 2 lakhs, and the biggest of all shows a population of 5 lakhs. So the first question was, what is the population of Amravati town, that is of Amravati city? So where on the map can we see Amravati? Here is Amravati. Okay, and this big ball represents Amravati town or the city. So this is the biggest ball that we can see on the map. Okay, with the help of the index we will be able to find out. So this is the ball here. Okay, it's the same size ball as we see here in the map, which shows Amravati town. And how much is the population there? It's 5 lakhs. So the answer to that question is 5 lakhs. Now the second question, name the place having population of 1 lakh on the map. So where do we see? Okay, so this is 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh. This is the size. Look at the size of this dot or the ball. Okay, where can we see such size ball on the map? Here, it is here. Okay, and what is the place? They have asked, name the place. So which is the place that shows this kind of this 1 lakh population or this ball over here? It is Achalpur. It is Achalpur. So write down the answer, Achalpur. Now the last question, which part of the map shows sparse distribution of population? What is sparse? Less dense. Okay, less dense or less population. Okay, sparse means less population. So where, in which part of the map shows less dense population? So where we can see the population or the dots scattered very far away from each other. So it is the part that they have asked and not the place. So we can look at the map. Okay, wherever we see dots very close to each other, okay, those are densely populated areas. So these are all densely populated areas. That is the central part of Amravati, the eastern part of Amravati, that is the northeast, and the southeast. Okay, they are densely populated, but among them the most densely populated place is the central part, which is the Amravati town. Okay, now when we go towards the west, now there is no south to this map. Okay, so there is only western part, that is the northwest. So we can just write down western part. Okay, so or to your reference you can also write down the northwestern, because it comes to the northern part, it is towards the northern, and it comes to the western part. So we can write down the northwestern part, because see, you can see here in this place, which is which taluka is here? It is Chikaldara. So this Chikaldara taluka is very less populated. There is hardly any population we can see with the number of dots. There are very few number of dots here, From that we can see that the population over here is very less. Okay, so this is a very sparse distribution of population we can see here. And also in the neighboring taluka, what is the neighboring taluka here? It is Dharni. So even this part is very less populated. So we can say that it is the western part or the northwestern part of Amravati is the answer. Okay, is shows the sparse distribution of population. Which part? The northwestern part. Fine. Now after we have understood how to read this dot method map, we just come to the next activity of the same topic, that is the dot method. There is an activity here as I asked you earlier. Here now we will prepare a map using dot method. Carry out the following activity. So they have asked us to see the map, and the map is there on the next page. Which district map is this? This is the Nandurbar district map. So this is the map. Look at the map, see how it looks like. Okay, there is another map. So this is which map, which type of map is this? This is a physical map. Okay, so so what is the question here? So first of all, they have asked, the question actually here is, they based on this chart, they have asked us to plant the dots in the map. So they have asked us to either trace this diagram or you trace this diagram. Okay, this diagram which is given in the INSAT, you may trace this. Okay, make a bigger size. If you don't have the trace paper, you can as well draw a freehand drawing but of the same size. Okay, look at the boundaries within given. Okay, to show the talukas. Okay, to show the different talukas here. So you will have to show the boundaries also, borders, and then we come back over here to the chart. Okay, so based on this number of population, okay, we are supposed to plant the dots in the map. Now here it is, these are the names of the talukas, some talukas in Nandurbar district, and this is the number of population in each of them. So let us start. I have already done this for you. So here is the work. So Akkalkuwa, the population here in Akkalkuwa district taluka is 2,15,974. Now let us round up this number, children. Okay, let us round up this number. Now this, it is more 15,000, 2,15,000, and this is 974, which is bigger than 500. So let us round up the whole number. Okay, which I have done it here. I have written it as 2,20,000. Okay, I rounded up the number and wrote it as 2,20,000. Now another one. This is 1,89,000 Akrani. Okay, and 661. So I have rounded up and written it as 1,90,000. Okay, Taloda, which is given as 1,33,291. This is the population there, but I have rounded up. It is 1,33,000. This is not increased, this is within 500. So I rounded it up and I just, the close number that I could have was 1,30,000, which I wrote here. Then Shahada shows a population of 3,46,352. Then I rounded it up and I wrote it as 3,50,000. So Nandurbar, 2,56,409. I wrote it as 2,50,000. Okay, to make it a round figure, I did some changes here in all the numbers. Now Nawapur shows a population of 2,31,134, which I did. I wrote it as 2,30,000. Now how do we understand that how many number of dots? Okay, it is so very difficult to place these many number of dots on the map, but we don't have to do like that. So what is the given thing? There is in the textbook they have written, for example, one dot is equals to 10,000 people. So one dot is equals to 10,000 people. We have the least number over here, isn't it? We have the least number over here. So based on this least number, we will divide each of these populations, by 10,000. Okay, so let's start. 2,20,000 divided by 10,000, we get 22. We divided this by 10,000 again, and we got the answer as 19. Okay, then we divided 1,30,000 by 10,000, and we got the answer as 13. 3,50,000 we divided by 10,000, we got it as 35. 2,50,000 we divided again by 10,000, and we got the answer 25. We divided 2,30,000 by 10,000 again, and we got the answer 23. So these are the numbers. Now what are we going to do with these numbers? 22, 19, 13, 35, 25, 23. So these are the answers. Okay, these are going to be the number of dots in the respective talukas. Okay, so here is the answer that I gave you. So you are going to do an activity. As I told you earlier, this is the map. With you are going to draw this map or trace this map. Okay, and then place the number of dots. These 22 in which taluka? Akalkuwa taluka. So you will have to find out where is Akalkuwa on the map. It is here. So somewhere here you will have to place those many number of dots, the whole taluka region. Now when you place the dots, okay, when you place those 22 dots or the 19 dots in Akrani, 13 dots in Taloda, you will have to make sure that you do not place these dots where there are roadways, where there are waterways. Okay, so water bodies. Why? Because yes, man has not we do not see man living in oceans, rivers, lakes, isn't it, or in the wells, or we do not even see man making his settlement in the middle of the road. So taking these things, or man has neither made any settlements on the top of the mountains. So we are supposed to look at all these situations, consider all these facts, and then accordingly place the dots. So for your reference, to see where there are roadways, where there are waterways, you are supposed to avoid those places and then plant the dots accordingly. Fine. So this is an activity, children. I am going to be very strict with the completion of your assignment. I want this assignment to be completed by tomorrow 12 afternoon. Okay, so I must see your assignments complete. See you tomorrow then. Thank you. Bye.